The pet style is really, really, really good. Got the flashlights for when you take your pet out for at night. Got the menace dog bones down there, and we got a child that wants to sing. Wow. Grill house, ribeye. Oh man, all kinds of stuff for your fur baby. I mean, this store is loaded. Dog toppers. All natural pup parts. Chicken flavored filled bones. Just beautiful stuff for your pets. Carry out jerkies. We have these jumbo dog bones right here. Okay, I mean, this one is packed. This is one of my favorite Dollar Trees. Love it. And this here is Butcher's Bar. Sweet potato chicken wraps, chicken flavored kebabs, duck jerky. Oh, come on. Yes. A lot more carry-outs. Okay. Spider glue for your pets. Wow. I get my vitamins from. Anything. Okay. Pet digestive soft gel chews. Calming soft chews. Pet bone health salt. And pet digestive soft chews. You got the sprinkle hearts. Wow. So much. Very nice. They even have the train pads. Okay, and we have these here. Dog Delight. Lamb bites. Okay. Country chicken stew. Okay. You have the scarves for your pets. For your fur babies. Okay. Scoops. We've got the collapsible travel bowl. We have some more Alice Best. Okay. You also have the chicken flavored dog treats. Okay. Gravy train. And we have duck and chicken flavor, y'all. Yep. We have the little pets there. Okay. I mean, when I tell y'all, it's almost a whole row. We have these bamboos. Okay. We have the pet mats. We have it in black. We have it in beige. We have these hard toys here. Okay. And yeah, we have stuff for your kitty cats. Alright. So, there you have it. The socks. Oh my goodness. Honey bun. You have the Rick and Morty with the... Oh, look at the socks, y'all. Finally. This one finally got the socks in. We got Pringles. We got ring pops. Pez. Spider-Man. Marvel, I guess. Mountain Dew. Wow. Ain't Mountain Dew I know. But anyway, got Nerf. Okay. Eggo. Centipede. I know what that look like, centipede. You got pizza. Rick and Morty again. Oh, yes. Pass. Look at the jelly beans. Wow. I gotta get those. Looney Tunes. Yes. There's the Mountain Dew. I know. Spam. Oh, Spam is cute. Get that one. Looney Tunes again. Oh, these I guess are for kids. Tootsie Pops. Oh, for kids, but anyway, nice. Okay, and here's the men's shorts, I believe they're for boys. We have the men's t-shirts. I'm really looking for the men's underwear, but they all boys. Okay. All boys. I guess I can get my grandson a pair. What is this? What size is this? A medium? I'll get a medium for him. Yes, it has stockings.
So we literally have them every other day. I went online to
We have these here. We have it in brown. We have it in green. And they have it in pink at this store. Okay, these are the three colors. We also have these here. Okay, we have that and just the beige. That's all I see that in. And we also have this in black. Blue, navy blue. Okay. Navy blue, pink, green, and brown, y'all. It's coming off brown or either it's maroon. Okay? So we only have this in this color, but they also have it in a pink as well. We have all this here. This is new, look like to me. Okay. All the different nails. Okay. Have these. This here. We have a facial oil absorbing roll. Makeup vanishing towels. Okay, we have these here. These are new. This mascara bar. Okay, that's super cute. Okay. We have these here. Not the same stuff. These here, this is nice. Pop-Tarts. I have Pop-Tart, Skittles, Pop-Tarts. They have the cherry flavor. They have Skittles. Okay. Lip gloss. This is nice. Okay. Lip color and cream blush duo. Okay. I had the Alice.
Cuando vuelva con el dinero en la cuenta.
Okay.
Ahora la tengo coja. No, está súper coja, sí.
We have these. Really nice, beautiful colors. This is a lip gloss as well. Okay, look at this. Lip balm. Super cute. And we have Clean Beauty. Okay, we have different colors. And we have the lip coverage lip gloss.
Here, ma.
Different colors. This is nice for your feet. Sassy and cheap. Double side foot style and brush. I haven't seen the makeup yet. Alrighty. We have the finishing powder by Lee Mercery. Beautiful shadows right there, really nice. We also have the enhance your skin tone. Different lashes. You also have the lash glue. Looks new to me. Got sloppy gel, chili with beans. That's good with hot dogs. Formal tamales, spaghetti. Got chicken soup. Italian breadcrumbs. Okay. Tomato soup. Good with some grilled cheese. Sorry, y'all. Got the cake mixes over here. Okay. And different cereal. It's my favorite. Love this. Oh, the donut cafe. I want to try one of these. I heard it's good. Let's try one. Creamers. This is Hawaiian. We have the cardamom instant chai tea latte. We have the masala instant chai tea latte. These are heavy, y'all. So yeah. Okay. Creamers. We have the bagels up here. And we have these here ones, cinnamon raisins. Y'all, these are new here at BT. Green Goddess. These are $3 items. We have the Protein Plus. And we have the Amazing Mango. We have these milk, whole milk, $3. Philadelphia cream cheese. We have the Different Delight drinks. Caramel macchiato. That's my daughter's favorite. Different cheeses. And these, my daughter loves these. Grab her a few of these. Absolutely love these. Oh, let's see. These beautiful. Have a different candles. there. These here. I have these. These are little. They are cute though, but they're little. And these right here. We have these beautiful things right here. Window decorations for the fall. Beautiful leaves. These ribbons are really pretty, very vibrant. This is pretty. I know Erica, she had one of these on when she did her wreath. They are so vibrant. Okay, really pretty. Okay. Little acorns, pumpkins. Okay. I really need these little ones. These are the ones I really need. They don't have the colors I want. Okay. Little sun signs. Fall. Thankful. Welcome fall. Here. Grab it and get things. That's beautiful. Okay, we have these here. All your little pumpkins down here. Okay. These acorns are cute. I like these. These are pretty.